Hello everyone, it's Yannick from Flex Immobilier. I'm gonna show you how to add a promo discount to your reservation. This promo code you probably received it by email within a newsletter that we're sending every week, or maybe through social media. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, you need to go on our website, fleximmobilier.com, and find the cottage that has a promotion. And you will go right here on the red button, book online. You click on it. And once you click on it, this page will open, and you just need this is a promo code for the month of April for reservation for a booking in April. So you go to through the calendar and go to April, and you select the dates that you wish to make a reservation. Right now, April is empty, so the entire calendar is available. So let's say you want to make a reservation from April 15 until April 17. You just choose your date. You select the number of guests that you're going to be. Let's say you're four guests, so you click on four guests, and you click on check price, and here you're going to see the details of the pricing. There's already a discount here, but it's not a discount related to the promo code. That's another discount. This one is if I remember, it's an early bird discount. Let's continue to add the other discount, which is the promo code discount. Uh, Before you do that, you will need to put your information. So I'm going to do that right now. Uh, I put me at gmail.com, the phone number, the address, my address, and also if you have any notes, you have a question regarding the cottage or some special demand, you can put it there. And after this, again, you're going to see the details of the payment. But you put the promo code, you need to continue to payment. And right here at the bottom, you see the link here, apply promo code. You just put the promo code here. In this case, the promo code was this Vive Avril 2. So you apply it, and here you go. You can see in green promo 20%. So it worked. You click on continue, and you will see the adjusted price was around $600 earlier. Now it's down to $500 with the promotion, the 20% promo code. You can see it here. It went down 84 dollars. To finalize the transaction, you need to put your credit card information. You also need to click on you agree with the house rules. The house rules, you will find them in the ad, right in the middle of the ad. Right here, you have a rental and cancellation condition, and here you click on that button, and you will see the contract, the rental contract. Yeah, so that's it. That's all you need to do. And after this, you will need to press on the button pay now, and the reservation will be official. I hope you're going to have a nice day, and I wish you a good day, and see you next time. Bye bye.